In this video, I am going to show you the EMDR Cognition Cards. These cards were developed by Alyson Webster, and the purpose of the cards is to engage your clients in the EMDR process. So if you're an EMDR therapist, that might be of interest to you. Let me show you what's inside the box. So, not surprised, these are cards. There's one cards with instructions how to use the cognition cards, and basically it's a tool that you present to your clients. You let them select negative cognitions, positive cognitions. Sometimes there's more than one positive cognition as an alternative to a negative cognition, and you basically explore it with them. So these are the instructions. I'll ask Ali if I can put the instructions in the comments below, but let me just give you a few examples. So I am not lovable is the negative cognition, and then positive cognition is not surprised, I am lovable. I am a bad person, I am a good person. One more, I am shameful, and then here we have two options, I am honorable or I am worthy. So these are the EMDR Cognition Cards. I will talk with Alyson Webster and see if she can explain in a separate video what inspired her to develop these cards. I hope you enjoy this video. If you want more videos on EMDR, whether if it's equipment, things like that, the cards, or EMDR technology, make sure you subscribe to the Art and Science of EMDR. I hope you enjoy this video.